Yes, when I taught you present perfect continuous tense, I gave you some points about the definite time or indefinite time. Okay, I think that you would have noted all those points in that time. Okay, now I come just to the example of this tense, past perfect continuous tense. Example, वह सुबह से फुटबॉल खेल रहा था. वह he had been, as I told you in the sentence, in the rules and regulation, that had will be used with all the subjects, either it is singular or plural. Then he had been playing, verb first form plus ing. He had been playing football. कब से? Since morning, because morning is a definite time. Since morning. वे कल रात से रामायण नहीं पढ़ रहे थे. वे they had not been. So not is placed between had and been. Not had and been के बीच में आएगा. ओके, so they had not been reading the Ramayana. Since, because night is also definite, since last night. क्या तुम पिछले 2 घंटे से इस व्यक्ति का पीछा कर रहे थे? ओके, क्या क्या इज एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, बट फॉर दिस क्या we use here only helping verb. Our helping verb is had. Note down. Our helping verb is had. Had you been chasing this man पिछले 2 घंटे से? और because hours is not a definite time. Hours is not a definite time. It is quite indefinite. So you can say that had you been chasing this man for last 2 hours? At last question mark. ये बच्चे 2 दिन से परीक्षा की तैयारी क्यों नहीं कर रहे थे? From hostel. Okay, so first of all we will write here the English of this kyun. It is a question word. So kyun is why. Why had, okay, ये बच्चे, so these children, why had these children then not, okay, preparing, okay, why had these children not preparing for examination? For examination कब से? 2 दिन से, for 2 days. Okay, I think this tense would have been clear to all of you. Respond to me. This is clear to you or not? Just tell me, beta. This is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we come to the next tense. Write down first of all. Our next tense will be the future. Okay, and we will take the first part of future, means future indefinite tense. Done? You're done? Yeah. Now, first of all, the identification of this tense. At last of this tense comes only ga, gi, ge. Ga, gi, ge. ओके, जैसे मैं ये किताब पढ़ूंगा, वह बाजार जाएगा, हम परीक्षा की तैयारी करेंगे, हम कल स्कूल आएंगे. So all these sentences just ends on ga, gi, ge. Okay, now affirmative. Just it has a just different rule. Okay, according to grammar, I will tell you one important thing. But now, first of all, with I and we use shall. Actually, what happens in modern English, the use of shall is ignored. Okay, nowadays shall is not used with I and we. Okay, but grammatically it is used with I and we. Normally हम shall का use नहीं करते हैं. Okay, but in grammar we use shall with I and we. Okay, so I with I and we use shall plus verb first form plus object. Is the first point. The second point is rest of noun and pronouns. Rest of nouns and pronouns we use will plus verb first form plus object. At last, please stop. Now, come to the negative part of this sentence. With I and we use shall plus not plus verb first form plus object.
सर इन कर लीजिए बच्चों को।
तो बच्चे बहुत देर से आ रहे हैं बेटा, इनको का रखा है, एक तो बच्चा आया बस। Is only one. Okay, I and we plus shall plus not plus verb plus object. The second part is rest of nouns and pronouns plus will not verb first form plus object. Now come to the interrogative sentence. Should I rub it? Interrogate. Okay, first part. I always teach you that there are two parts in interrogative sentence. First part, when the sentence begins with क्या, वैसा मैंने आपको जब सेंटेंस begins with क्या, जब सेंटेंस में क्या स्टार्टिंग में आता है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब फॉर दिस क्या। सबसे पहले हम इस क्या के लिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करते हैं, and in the future tense our helping verb is shall or will. Shall or will according to our subject, then subject verb first form plus object. At last question mark. Then the second point, when any question word comes in the mid of sentence, okay, so first of all we write the English of question word, then question word plus shall or will. First of all, we write the question word, then shall or will according to our subject, then subject, verb, first form plus object at last question mark. Now come to the example of distance. Write a bit also. Example, यह व्यक्ति आज हमें गीता का उपदेश देगा. Okay, this व्यक्ति, this man will preach. Preach means उपदेश देना. Okay, this man will preach us the Gita. Okay, आज, today. Okay, so this man will preach us the Gita today. तुम मुझे आज अपने भाई से परिचित करवाओगे. Okay, so तुम, you will introduce me. You will introduce me with your brother आज, today. Okay, you will introduce me with your brother means तुम मुझे आज अपने भाई से परिचित करवाओगे. Now comes the negative sentence. वे आज खेतों में बीज नहीं बोएंगे. वे आज खेतों में बीज नहीं बोएंगे. They will not sow the seeds खेतों में in the fields आज, today. Okay, they will not sow the seeds in the fields today? आज तुम मुझे बाजार नहीं ले जाओगे। आज तुम मुझे बाजार नहीं ले जाओगे, तो यू विल नॉट टेक मी टू द मार्केट टुडे। ओके, टेक मीन्स ले जाना। ओके, so you will not take me to the market today. Now come to the example of interrogative. क्या पुलिस इस अपराधी से आज पूछताछ करेगी? Okay, so first of all, क्या is coming in this sentence? We will write here the helping verb according to our subjective. So will the police do the cross examination means पूछताछ करना। okay, will the police do the cross examination with this criminal today? At last question mark. वैसे इसमें टाइम है अभी, इसमें अभी टाइम है। अभी मैं एंड कर दूं।